Hey, what's going on, you guys? On this week's episode, we were actually diving back into that Turnstile track we started last week, and we're going to work on all the different production elements as far as keys and other soundscape things to really make the song come to life and sound like a Turnstile song. And I even take a stab at trying to do vocals like Turnstile, which does not sound the best, but just bear with me because we're all learning together and we're pushing ourselves to create new music. So without further ado, let's jump in straight into this video. Before I started this video, I was actually kind of playing around with some stuff just to see what I could come up with. This is the section that I actually added at the very beginning of the song. It's a key part through a Waves plugin called Flow Motion, and I just used the patch that was already in here, so I didn't have to go in here and build out a new patch. But as you can see, new camera down here so you can see my key hands. Basically what I did was, the song is in E minor or G major. E minor would be something like that. I came up with this part and it sounds like this. And then it just drops straight into that first guitar part with some like cymbal swells and stuff. It goes and drops. So I'll let you listen to that real quick. I'm not exactly sure which Turnstile song it is, but there is a song that starts with like an arpeggiated key part. And so I wanted to add one of those in there and then let the these two cymbal swells come in, and then I cut them off right before they can finish. Because like if I stretch this out, you would actually see that the cymbal swell goes forever. But this kind of gives it that Turnstile feel because it just comes and abruptly stops like this. Now, a lot of other things that you hear in Turnstile music is just like a bunch of random crazy sounds. And so what I'm actually going to do is continue to explore in Flow Motion to see if I can find anything in their effects section that just sounds ridiculous. So let's play around with it a little bit. Kind of builds. Just subtle. Oh man, my computer's probably gonna break the amount of Flow Motion instances I'm about to open up. Kind of like that one too. Turnstile puts lots of chimes in their music. Dig it. Tambourines to really get that section going. Yeah, and then turn down. Kind of want to try a cowbell section just to see. Loaded in the same cowbell sample. One of them is going to be normal. The next one, I'm going to transpose down. Let's try that. I honestly actually think these two reverses would sound good here. Yeah. There we go. Cool. Let's go find a bass drop. I know I got a bass drop somewhere in here. Yeah. That's the one. Yeah, that's sick, but it probably needs a hit at the beginning. Okay. I'm happy with these effects so far. I guess the only thing that I really need to work on at this point is vocals. As you can hear, I have not been feeling the best. And so there's a high chance I might not be able to do this today, but we're gonna try it. Dude, I don't even know where to start with writing lyrics for like Turnstile. And I believe we're running on too long, but I'm afraid to. Dude, I'm lost. And space, free fall. Okay, so in a lot of Turnstile songs, there's a lot of moments where you're gonna hear a lot of like reverb happen, and it's done artistically to kind of help the moments really have like a high emphasis on either the note or the the vocal line itself. And so what I'm doing is creating those spaces to where you can hear how that's going to work. And basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the automation and turning the dry wet signal on the delay up and down. So check this. And space, free fall. Let the shockwave tear down the wall. And space, free fall. Everybody jump, everybody crawl. Songs about skateboarding, because when I listen to Turnstile, it makes me want to go skate. So I gotta figure out these verses though. Oh yeah! Yeah, put a big ol' in there. Yeah, that's sick. Dude, I think I'm coming down with something, and this will be the second time this month has happened. So I can't like do this Turnstile voice as well as they can, obviously, because it's them. But I'm trying my hardest so that way we can learn together. Dude, this sounds like absolute butt. Gonna keep going at this point. I don't even know where to go. I'm losing steam, y'all. I'm not feeling it. We're just so close. It's just, this sucks. No cage can own me. Spark, collide. I hear the click in the dark. The dark side. No cage can own me. Spark, collide. Own me. Spark, collide. Spark, collide. Let the little light scream through. I'm flipping every shadow into something brand new. No cage can own me. Spark, collide. I hear the click in the dark. The dark side. And space, free fall. Y'all, I might have hit the end of my creative juices for this one. And this is what happens when you push yourself out of your comfort zone and you write music that you're not comfortable writing. You will eventually hit a wall. And this would be an awesome moment for me to try to collab with somebody. But I have nobody to collab with. So if you're watching and you want to try to lay vocals down on this, email me at matt@ghostnoisestudio.com and I'll send you the instrumental track and we'll see what we can come up with. I guarantee you it'll sound better than the garbage that I just put on here. So that being said, I'm going to throw the mastering track on it, and we're going to listen to what we have put together so far. Hey, thanks for stopping by. It really means a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm on a journey this year to hit 1,000 subscribers and finally hit that monetization point. And there's a lot of y'all who are not subscribed who are watching this video. So if you could do me a favor, I would love it if you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications, because I've got plenty more music education content that's going to be coming out on this platform, and I want you guys to be aware of it whenever it drops. And also, like I said, if you want to take a stab at trying to do some vocals on this, because it's going to sound way better than I did, go ahead and email me at matt@ghostnoisestudio.com, and I will send you the instrumental of this track and let you take a stab at it. Thanks guys for stopping by. See you all next time.